Mom, I don't need you to be perfect.
I don't need you to be perfect.
I know sometimes you don't always have it together.
You didn't really have it all figured out. And that's okay.
That's okay, because you're my mom, and that's enough.
And that's enough.
Mom, I just need you to be...
Hola, mami.
I love you.